dibujar. Dibujar. Dibujar, that's another great hobby. It means to draw or drawing. You know, similar to pintar, but when talking about pintar, you use paint. When talking about dibujar, you use usually pencils and you know, you draw whatever you see as well. So interesting stuff. Anyway, so for example, a Miguel le gusta dibujar. Oops, my God. Rostros a lápiz. A Miguel le gusta dibujar rostros a lápiz. So this means Miguel likes pencil drawing. We're getting specific here. Faces, and that's it. Faces. Miguel likes pencil drawing faces, or just drawing faces, if you remove a lápiz. But let's break this down so you understand how this sentence works. Okay. A Miguel. Something very common in Spanish is to have this when talking about someone and you want to say that that person is doing something, or in this case, likes doing something. A Miguel, a ti, a usted, a María, a ella, a él. Okay, so remember that it's like saying to Miguel, right? To Miguel, but you're just saying that that person likes doing something, right? A Miguel. Miguel in this situation. Because if you don't have a, Miguel le gusta dibujar rostros a lápiz, that sounds incomplete. You need a él, a ella, a Miguel. Okay, so that's something really important to notice. A Miguel le gusta, this is a pronoun, and this is the verb gustar, to like. A Miguel le gusta, Miguel likes, okay? We need le right here. I've been talking about these pronouns, like about them so many times, but I have lessons about these pronouns, so please feel free. Why am I doing that? Feel free to browse my channel. I believe they are called, because we have le, te, me, se, and it's a pronoun. It's used used in indirect object situations, and also I think direct. Yeah, it's a confusing topic, but it's mostly used in it's an indirect object pronoun. But yeah, anyway, that's another lesson for sure. Le gusta dibujar, le gusta dibujar, likes drawing. Rostros means faces, okay? Caras also is another term, common term to refer to faces. Cara, face. Rostro, face. Both the same thing, they mean the same thing. When you say a lápiz, that means the technique, pencil, okay? Or what tool the person is using to do the, to draw faces with, So lápiz means pencil. When you say a lápiz, that means just the technique, pencil drawing. Dibujar a lápiz, pencil drawing. That's the term. Okay, you can you don't have to say a lápiz, and just you can say a Miguel le gusta dibujar rostros, and that's fine. That means Miguel likes drawing faces, and that's fine. But if you want to be more specific, usually you need the letter a and then whatever technique, lápiz, a lápiz, a óleo. So that's the oil painting, oil paints, and so on. Yeah, it can get really technical, but in general, dibujar means to draw or drawing. Okay.